I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling digital products in 2026 using a simple step-by-step method that helps you understand how this business works, what products to sell, and how you can start even if you have zero experience and little to no budget. This is a very special episode here on Easy Canva Tutorials because this is the first video in a full series where I'll teach you how to build a digital product business from scratch so you're not broke by the end of next year. It's important that you watch this video until the end and continue with the next ones because I'll be showing you the exact process step by step, from opening a free online store, creating your digital products, listing them properly, and marketing them on social media to start generating sales. So first, let's define everything clearly so you understand what digital products are, how selling them works, and if they're really worth it in 2026. Digital products are items delivered online with no physical shipping involved. Once a customer buys, they instantly receive the product through a download link or email. This means no inventory, no packaging, and no shipping fees. You create the product once and sell it over and over again. Some examples include online courses, journals, planners, ebooks, cookbooks, trackers, worksheets, social media templates, and Canva templates. These products stay in demand because people are always looking for tools to improve their life or business. Now let's talk about how you can start selling depending on your budget. If you have one, you can sell PLR or private label rights products. These are ready-made digital products you're allowed to customize, rebrand, and sell as your own, depending on the license. If you don't have a budget, Canva is your best option. You can create digital products from scratch or customize free templates and turn them into your own. Canva is beginner-friendly and doesn't require any design experience. To sell digital products, you need three things. First, an online store. Second, a digital product. And third, a way to market it so people can actually find and buy it. Don't worry if this feels overwhelming. We'll break each step down in the next tutorials so you can follow along easily. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Now that you understand the basics, the next step is setting up your online store. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to open a free shop, what platforms to use, and how to set everything up correctly. So make sure to click the next video and continue with the series.